Do subscribe and click on the bell icon.
Where do you go when you're young, when you're restless, when you're fun, cause you're desperate?
Hello friends, welcome to techtuto. Sometimes we get so much irritated by unknown persons on Facebook that we should take action. Facebook also gave the privileges for every user for protecting themselves from the cyberbullying as well. For that we need to change some few settings. So let's see how to do that.
First, log into your account, go to Quick Help, and then go to Privacy Checkup. Here in this first option, you can choose the audience who can see your post whenever you post from your news feeds or your profile. Click on here. If you click more, you will have more options. I am selecting here friends. Click on next. On the second option, you can set privacy on your profile like date of birth or address. I am keeping private my mail ID among my friends only and leaving the rest of the things as it is. Click on next. If you log into other apps using Facebook credentials, then you can edit who can seize them or even delete those apps. Here I am again keeping this as it is, then finish and close. Now go to settings and select privacy tab. So at first you can edit your future post discovery that we have already done with. As it is a review, I am skipping the activity log. On the next option, you can limit the audience. So the post you shared publicly or tagged to any person, those posts will be shared with friends, and anyone tagged in those posts, their friends may also can see. So click on the limit past post. Who can send you friend request? Here you only have two options, everyone and friends of friends. Select as your privacy need. Next, you can select the audience who can see your friend list. Click here. You will have bunch of options if you go to more options. Next, you can edit who can find your Facebook ID using your mail ID. Here I am keeping friends of friends. Same as previous, you can edit who can find you using your phone number. I am selecting friends only. On the internet there are search engine crawlers that crawls every website available, and if you don't want to be discovered by the crawlers, then click on edit and uncheck this box and turn it off. So we are now done with all of these privacy settings. Now move to the timeline and tagging settings. On the timeline, you can edit the option that will allow people who can post on your timeline. Selecting the friends only. Who can see what others post on your timeline. I am keeping this in between friends only. Who can see posts that you tagged in on your timeline. Select the option as your privacy need. Here if anyone can't see a post that you are already tagged in, who do you want to the audience of that post? Again selecting my friends. If you don't want to be in tag suggestion of a post where a photo that looks like you, then you can edit this too. Keeping this in between friends. You can review a post before you are tagged in. You can enable or disable it. I am setting this to enable. You can review a post before you are tagged in. You can enable or disable it. In view as, you can see how your profile will look like to others. You can specifically name a person to see your profile as well. On the last option, you can enable or disable review of tags that people add to your posts before that appears on Facebook. Now I am going to give you few other tips. If you want to block a particular person, you can go to his or her profile and click on these three dots and select block. That person will no longer able to interact with you again by any means. Here's another tip. If you want a person to be in your friend list but can't bother you by sending random messages, go to his or her chat box and click on this setting icon. You can able to block messages from that person. So this is for today's video. Hope this video was helpful to you. Hit the like and do subscribe. See you in the next video.